Me, manners! Don't forget!
It was cleanup time. Mimi had played so much. Mommy said, "Time to put our toys away, sweetie." Mimi yawned a big, wide yawn. Her eyes felt super heavy. Mimi tried to pick up a block, but it slipped from her sleepy fingers. Thump! She rubbed her eyes. Cleaning up felt too hard when she was so tired. Mommy gave Mimi a hug. "Mimi, why are you so sleepy?" Mimi mumbled. "My body feels slow." Mommy explained, "When we sleep on time, our bodies get lots of rest, like a superhero charging up." Mommy added, "With a charged up body, you have super energy. You can play lots and even clean up your toys super fast without feeling tired." Mimi's eyes twinkled. Super fast cleanup? Wow. Mimi helped Mommy clean, feeling a little excited. "Tonight," Mimi declared, "I will go to bed when you say, 'Mommy, I want to be a super speedy cleaner tomorrow.'" Mommy smiled. Mimi felt proud.